Well, here it is, snowing, of course, in Michigan. Barbie's birthday, January 25, 2015. And this is our big barn. You get outside here. Big barn, old barn, probably at least 100 years old. We think it's older. And I just cleaned out the space. Okay, she just barely fit in there, actually. Quite a bit of extra room. There's Chica. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Lots of room overhead. Okay. Here's the rudder I removed, obviously, down in our basement. And I'm going to remove the tiller and refinish it. Okay, I'm just applying I just poured some gel coat on here, liquid, right? Putting it on with a little foam roller. Just as easy as could be. I've sanded it before I started this. Sorry if I was late with the camera. I sanded it before this because it has the wax coating on it. Hey, it's an experiment, right? Looks okay. Got some rough edges. Not too bad. Not too bad. Should have seen it before. Yikes. Okay. Gel coat. This is my project for the day. I am going to attempt to sand down this nasty transom. Right? You can see where somebody tried to cover up the name. Today I am continuing to put together the transom. I'm attaching the hardware after I gel coated, right, the transom. I'm not sure if you see that in another video. I'm attaching these, the stanchions. Already did the rail. And then later on we're going to work on the inside, which you can barely see. Alright, get it ready to go to Florida. Here's the finished product of the transom, right? The rear end of the boat. Got the Johnson Seahorse hanging off the back, 6 horsepower, motor lift, of course the tiller and the kick-up rudder, which you may have seen me refurbish that in another one. Come here, Pooty Cat. My cat mascot. Right, and then the motor, of course, lifts down. I'm not going to show you that because I got my hands full. Let's walk around the other side. Yeah. Yeah, right. Well, it runs. Yep. The old Johnson 6-horse Seahorse. Looks like a whole brand new boat from back there. Inside the cabin, I bought this galley a couple weeks ago. Found it on Craigslist. Felt like I got a deal. Oh, okay. You can see there's a 2-burner alcohol stove. There's a sink, right? And you pump it up and down. And a wood lid that goes to an ice box. And underneath there is a water storage. And again, the stove runs on alcohol. Little drawer. Yeah, oh, here's a water tank right here. And then that slides, then there's a little, like a little wash basin almost. It's a drain. And the water runs from the sink, right? The sink down there, and then it runs down to here somewhere. I haven't figured that part out yet. That's a crank to crank up the keel. It's a swing keel. And the batteries go in there, and that's under the table. These are the crib boards that lock up the companionway here. Table turns into a bed, right, like they all do. And then, good morning. It's almost 11 o'clock, August, I don't know, somewhere around 27 to 2015. And in the back, can you see it? Catalina 22, yeah, babe. And we're gonna take it to the boat ramp today and see if it floats or how bad it leaks. And you go from there. It floated. It's my new friend Jim. He's a 124 owner on Catalina. On Coldwater Lake. Motor transportation. Yep, it floats. So we're back at the dock after a semi-successful trip. A little problem. Nothing major. Fuel is broken and it sucks air, so that killed the motor. But no problem. I got another one at home. All in all, pretty good. Well, everything went expected with the sea trial. Now here's the mast, right? Here's the top of the mast, and it goes up on that pulley. And you can see it's laying on top of the boat. So now I got to try to figure how to step the mast. Learned a lot from YouTube, so we'll see. Well, yeah. So I got the mast up and the rigging, right? All the wires. I started to put the sail up. I had no idea. There's so many. I think I'm missing parts. I'm missing some pulleys or something. But yeah. Anyway, it's coming. Here we are in our boat.
Hi.
Got the sails up. Wee. Yep. Living the dream. Oh wait, that's water in the background because you can see the fountain.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Everybody smile.
Hi.
There's Barb up there. And then, of course, well, it's raining outside. Oh, sweet. Look at that. Terrible. So we're anchored down. Right? I hope. As long as we don't blow away. We're sailing now. Don't let the sound of the motor in the background fool you. It's just the power boats going by. Yeah, actually, the baby's running. We don't have enough wind hardly to do anything. There's a little bit of wind. Anyway, okay, we're doing it. Here's Barb. Hey, Barb.